All right, on the floor we have another fuel injection conversion kit. This is ideal for someone that's swapping over from a carburetor to fuel injection, that needs everything to do the job as far as the fuel tank, the fuel pump, hoses, throttle body, harnesses, etc. So what's nice about this is the fuel tank is vehicle specific, so it'll be a direct fit. And if we run through a little more detail, you can see what's included. So this has the Sniper EFI throttle body. Looks like a carburetor, acts like fuel injection. Very adaptable to high altitude, low altitude, extremely hot or cold temperatures. A little better fuel efficiency to it. Has a lot of the built-in sensors, the idle air control, throttle position sensor, map sensor, the fuel pressure regulator is all built into it. Has the 6AN fittings for the feed and the return. You have your vacuum lines off of it for, let's say, running your PCV, for ignition. The linkage, the same as a standard Holley carburetor, so you can run your kick down off of that. See the throttle blades below, the injectors are all built in, so that's the heart of it right there. The plug-ins, there's 4 main plug-ins that you have off of it. And then you have your harnesses here, the fuel filter, the fuel lines for the feed and the return. This is the Sniper Wizard, so that plugs in. Just set your basic parameters in order for it to get up and running. Your oxygen sensors, some of the other miscellaneous wires that you may or may not need. And of course you have the fuel tank itself. So this is fully galvanized, protect from rust over time. And you have all your fittings here to fit a wide variety of vehicles. Your gasket, the fuel pump hanger, the fuel float, the fuel pump. This one's a 255 liters per hour. You can go a little bit more than that for a higher horsepower application. And this is the feed for the fuel feed and the return. Cut to size to where it needs to be. Here you have it. All available through tdmotion.com.